Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Yesterday Bitcoin dropped exactly as I predicted in the video. It hit our take profit target. Big congratulations. It's very disappointing in the markets that Bitcoin is getting annihilated, but don't forget, this is where the money is made. This is where the millionaires are made. The millionaires are not made when Bitcoin is at 69k. That's when the millionaires, the billionaires are selling their gains. That's when we sold in November 11, 2021, when I called the day of the top. I was the only one in the world to call the day of the top. This is where the money's made. When you buy it down here, when you buy the blood, when people are crying, I'm buying, and so are you if you're a guru. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up, thumbs up, and let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals for Bitcoin. Bitcoin played out exactly as I said yesterday's video. Look at this. We went from 16,500 and hit the target at 16,000. It closed the trade in the profits. It actually broke through the symmetrical triangle to the downside, so it went further. Massive gains. We made $456 profit. With 10x leverage was $4,560. With 100x leverage is $45,000 of profits, and this is where I showed in the video. So we can be heading down to around here, which would be at 16,000. If it doesn't hold this support, which most likely it doesn't look like it's going to, we're going to come down to 16,000. So I'd actually go short from here. I'd open a short on Bitcoin. Let's go closer on the hourly. It's dropping 15 minutes. Let's go closer on 15 minutes. Also seems to be dropping a lot of volume kind of, and we went short. That was around 21 hours ago, and that video had 6,300 people watch it. Fast forward 21 hours and it hit the take profit. Unfortunately, it went lower, so congratulations anyone that took that trade. Now we need to see if the green line can hold, if this but unfortunately it doesn't look like. We broke this symmetrical triangle, this one here, a big symmetrical triangle to the downside. Now it's most likely going to retest, fail, and head to 15,200. And we hope that line holds at 15,200. Why? Because if we zoom out onto the daily, this is the overall descending triangle, this massive descending triangle. And it was expected that we broke down here and we bounce. If we can bounce at 14,500, head back up to 17,000, that's okay, because the descending triangle is bullish. But most likely it's going to do this, come down to around 13,900 in February 2023 and then break out. So this point here, this white line really needs to hold, but that's where I would go short. On the daily, we're very oversold. 4 hourly, we're very oversold. Hourly, we're very oversold. Everything is oversold on so many time frames. Look at this, on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly. It's never been so oversold before. So Bitcoin is extremely oversold right now, but most likely after this break of the symmetrical triangle, we're going to get a retest. This green line, I think we broke underneath it, so it's going to fail. We're going to get a retest and drop back down. So again, I would unfortunately be going for the short-term short on Bitcoin. I mean, we had some big wicks. Look at this. We have big hammer candles, like big wicks pushing back up. Even in the last 4 hourly candle, you can see big wicks pushing it back up. These are hammer candles that are showing that there's a lot of support here and a big spike up in volume. But unfortunately, I do think we're going to break after the retest. I think we're going to retest here, come back up to 16,100 and then drop. So I'd be going short from that position there. So I'd go short from here, stop loss just above here, the wicks that will try to wick it out, and the take profit at the target, which will be, unfortunately, there'll be a big bounce here at 15,000. There'll be a very big bounce at 15,500. So I'll take profits there, but then most likely it will continue to 15,200. But that's the trade that would open on Bitcoin, but only after we get a recovery. So again, I expect that we will recover here to 16,100 and then drop. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin from that point there on the recovery. Stop loss just above it, and the take profit at the target, which is the previous, this one here, this week that we had back in November, 15,500. That will be the target, 15,000. So that's a nice risk to reward ratio trade, risking $117 to make $572. 10x leverage would be $5,720. 100x leverage will be $57,000. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, opening it at 16,118 short, expecting Bitcoin to fall further. Remember, you can make money on the drops, not just the gains. Stop loss at 16,236, so only risking $117 to make $572. Take profit at 15,546. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin, and big congratulations I'll share this in the Telegram. Big congratulations, everyone in the Telegram. You can join my Crypto Guru Alerts Telegram, and you can see here yesterday that many people made massive gains off that trade. This student went short, 77% profit on Ethereum, 81% profit on Bitcoin. James, you are a guru. This student made 136% profit shorting Bitcoin. This is in the Telegram. When I shared that video, you can see my trades that I share in this Telegram. There's 4,560 of you. If you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to join the Telegram, underneath this video, go down below. You can sign up to Bybit. You get a 30,000 USDT bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You have to use that link, everyone, down below. So go down below. Under that, in the description on your video down below, you go down below, use the description, sign up to Bybit down there, everyone. Go down below, sign up to Bybit, $30,000 of bonuses when you meet all the requirements. And that's where you can trade Bitcoin. You get $30,000 of bonuses, and you can join the Telegram, live Telegram alerts, also in the description. It's free, and you can talk to the other almost 5,000 crypto gurus. Also follow me on Twitter and take the courses, James Crypto Guru. And regarding the courses, you can see here that there will be a Black Friday sale. Gurus, 1 week left before Black Friday. On November 25, there'll be a promo code that gets 35% discount on the courses. There'll be 150 promo codes which will be available for 6 hours only. It starts at 2 p.m. UTC time, November 25th. All the courses, the Crypto Guru Master Course, the Stock Guru Master Course on November 25th at 2 p.m. The first 150 people will get 35% off those courses, which is beautiful. So you can study while the bear market. Morning, James. Great explanation. In the intro, this is again an opportunity DCA. People will cry because of the drop. I laugh because we'll go up, have an amazing day. These are students making those gains, which is beautiful. When people hear head and shoulders, when I hear head and shoulders, it's a technical pattern. So that's what's happening in the markets, everyone. The markets are pulling back. There's a lot of panic in the markets. There's a lot of fear right now. So when there's this much fear, when there's this much crying, when there's this much panic, I'm actually buying. So in the short term with the trades, I'm shorting Bitcoin. But I actually got buy orders at 13K, at 10K. I've got a lot of buy orders to buy more Bitcoin. Be careful if you're on exchanges right now. This is what's happening is a lot of panic. There's a bank run in the markets. If you're on exchanges, just use Bybit for your trading, but move your spot over off to cold wallet storage. That means Ledger, that means MetaMask, where you have the seed phrases. Make sure you store those seed phrases safely, but be careful in these markets. At the moment, my goal is I've got 20% in Bitcoin, 20% in USD, real fiat currency, 20% in BUSD and USDC and USDT stable coins, 20% stocks, and 20% to buy into the markets if they plummet more. So this is my spot, my portfolio. I'm buying a lot of Google, I'm buying a lot of Meta, Facebook, I'm buying a lot of Tesla, I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin, I'm buying a lot of Cake, I'm buying a lot of MCRT down here. This is not financial advice. Nothing I've told you is financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets. You have to do your own due diligence, research, consult your brokers. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, comment down below. How are you doing right now in the markets? Are you panicking? Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you crying? Let me know, everyone. Comment down below. There's 77,000 of you on here. There's around 72,000 of you on Twitter. There's around 5,000 of you in the Telegram. Communicate together. Help each other. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.